ultralight and ultra-comfortable Crown 2 60-liter multi-day pack from Granite Gear is designed for the thru hiker. Weighing in at 2.2 pounds, it's available in 3 fixed torso sizes. The Crown 2 utilizes our innovative Vapor Current Mark II frame system. The VC Mark II frame system includes a compression-molded polypropylene frame sheet with die-cut holes to minimize pack weight while maximizing the load rating. For longer outings, the Mark II frame is fully removable to further reduce your weight. The suspension system also includes a mesh-laminated molded foam back panel with ventilation channels. These materials work together for breathability and reduce moisture for your added comfort. Similar to our Lutz Impact series, the Crown 2 utilizes our Refit hip belt. This easily adjustable belt allows for a custom fit for all body types. An additional feature is the included top lid with a DWR-treated zippered compartment. This fully removable lid is perfect for quick access to smaller items. The Crown 2 60-liter multi-day pack from Granite Gear truly allows you to go where you gotta go.
Hey, I'm Andrew Skirka with Sierra Designs. I'd like to introduce the new Flex Capacitor 40 to 60 backpack. This is a full suspension pack with a great feature set. It is competitively priced and it only weighs 2.5 pounds. The Flex Capacitor is more versatile than the conventional pack. Most backpackers will find it suitable for trips between 2 and 7 days. So let's talk about what makes this pack stand out. Using this expandable gusset, you can adjust the volume of the Flex Capacitor between 40 and 60 liters. You simply need to tighten or loosen these ladder lock buckles and webbing. And for some context, the difference between 40 and 60 liters is the difference almost of 2 of these hard-sided bear canisters. This is the Y-Flex suspension system. This is an internal frame, but I've pulled it out to show you what it looks like. It's extremely stiff vertically, but it has a little bit of torsional flex through pivoting on the hub. I tested one of the Flex Capacitor prototypes with 70 pounds of weight, and I would never recommend carrying that weight ever, but I was really impressed with how well this pack supported that load. We designed a simple back panel consisting of these 2 scapula pads and this lumbar pad. The user should experience nice airflow through this section of the pack, which will be really helpful in warm and humid conditions. Normally, to achieve this much airflow, you need to add a lot of build and also compromise its load carrying capacity, but we were able to avoid both of those trade-offs, and we kept the weight of this pack at around 2.5 pounds. Two compression straps run horizontally around the main body of the pack. These offer utility to secure things like snow shovels and trekking poles. They also allow you to further compress the volume of the pack, which improves its load carrying performance. The Flex Capacitor has 6 exterior pockets, all generously sized and easily accessible. There are 2 hip belt pockets, 2 side pockets, top lid pocket, and my personal favorite is this shoulder strap pocket. That's ideal for a 20-ounce water bottle or for a can of bear spray. One of my favorite features of the Flex Capacitor is the zipper top lid. I know it's not a matter of life and death that you get quick access to the main compartment of your pack, but being able to quickly open it up and gain access to something without dealing with your normal system of buckles, webbing, and roll top closures is really convenient. The Flex Capacitor is perfect for a wide range of trips. I've used mine in Glacier National Park, the canyons of southern Utah, and throughout the Colorado Rockies, both in the summer and the winter. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the trail with yours.
Yeah.